In this video, we are going to walk through how to integrate your till with the FreshKDS Kitchen Display System, which allows you to view and manage your orders on a separate screen. FreshKDS can either be used to replace your order printers or can be combined with them. For instance, you might still want to print drink orders at the bar but have food orders sent to the KDS in the kitchen. Like printers, you can also set up multiple KDS screens in the system to display different parts of the order. First, you will need to download and install the FreshKDS application on the Android device or tablet you will use as your KDS. This device will need to be on the same network as your tills, and it is highly recommended it is assigned with a static IP address to prevent the integration from disconnecting. Once installed, open the FreshKDS application and log in with your account credentials. Now, simply follow the prompts on screen. Name your KDS and select KDS SDK as the point of sale system and take note of the IP address shown on the screen. Moving over to the web portal, we can now configure the system for the KDS. The FreshKDS integration is part of the advanced printing feature set, so we will first need to set up our product and print groups. You may already have product groups set up for your printers that you can reuse. However, in this example, we will set up dedicated product groups for the KDS. You can also view the advanced printing tutorial in the link above and in the description for more details. After logging in, click Stock on the top bar and then Products and Print Groups in the submenu. Click New and enter the details of your print group. In this example, we will include all items from a department, provide a name and code and click Save. Please note, the integration does not support subgroups, so you will need to ensure all your applicable items are in the same product group. Now, click Config on the top bar and then Printers in the submenu. Here we will create a new printer to trigger the KDS integration. Name the KDS and choose the applicable product group and select FreshKDS Local Integration from the Receipt Printer dropdown. You can ignore the line width and feed length, but must enter the IP address of the KDS device we noted earlier and set the port to 9104. Finally, if you would like the KDS to detail the order type, select Yes to infer order mode from reference. When this is set to Yes, any transaction reference starting with the word table will automatically be flagged as for here in the KDS. Any other reference will be flagged as to go. After entering all the details, click Save. As we are using the advanced printing feature, we now need to check the profile is configured correctly by clicking Config in the top bar and Profiles in the submenu. Edit the appropriate profile, expand the hardware section and ensure the primary printer is set to advanced printing. The final step is to assign the KDS to the tills. Click Devices in the top bar and edit the appropriate tills. On the Device Details form, tick the secondary option for the KDS printer we created earlier and click Save. After configuring all of the above, it's time to update the tills with our new settings by tapping the Update Data button on the login screen. Now we can log in and test. There are no visible differences on the tills, but now whenever the system would normally print an order receipt, it will now appear on the KDS. Simply build your basket as normal. Because we set the infer mode from reference to Yes, any reference starting with table will show on the KDS as a for here order. If we enter a free text or use the automatic order number reference, the order will show as to go. The KDS will also display both product and list modifiers, as well as custom notes if entered, as shown here. If you are leveraging the suspend and resume features on the tills, the KDS will update each time you tap suspend. If there is already an existing order on the KDS, it will update the original order and the new items will be denoted with a plus symbol. Within the KDS, you can mark individual items as completed by tapping them, or you can clear the entire order by tapping the top of the order. You can recall previously cleared orders by tapping the Recall button. From here you can view order details and recall the order back to the open view. The KDS also allows you to move orders around, place them on hold, change the order type, or flag them as a priority by tapping the button with 3 dots within the order and tapping the action on the right. There is also a settings area where you can customize how the KDS system operates. From here you can view the KDS IP address, change the KDS layouts, adjust audio notifications, transition times, colors and much more. For more information on how to customize the KDS, please visit help.freshkds.com. Further information on advanced printing and the KDS integration can also be found in your user manual, and if you still have any questions, please contact your support provider, whose details can be found on the side menu and in the web portal.